It is really simple to set up your Atlantis machine. First, install the water jar. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes for bubbles to stop rising in the jar. Now, plug in the machine and turn on the switch behind the front door. The machine will display "Please wait, heating." Wait for this to change to "Make your choice" before dispensing. Fill the canisters with correct ingredients and return them to their correct position. Your machine is now ready to dispense. Just press the button of your chosen beverage. Remember to throw away the first cup when you first use the machine. You have the flexibility to place the water jar either at the side or on the top. Contact us if you have any queries.